darling. Welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out a Blarg funny laugh compilation from Runil. It's been far too long since I've seen one of these, and I'm very, very excited. Been looking forward to it. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. It'd really help me out, and I'd very, 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 very much appreciate it. Thank you. Are you ready? Let's go.
You know you're white when the word is the edges.
My god.
That gag just made it so much better.
My god. Okay. Oh, it's been so long. Oh, we're right back into the deep end. Got it.
Oh, my throat hurts after almost dying from the N-word.
You went in the wrong hood or what?
Oh my god.
I was gonna say, what do you like, Neil Malkova or something?
Oh my god.
Oh, how I've missed you guys.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm laughing like a fucking ghost.
Alright, time for you to be put down, Blarg.
Raping a goose.
Blarg, hold it together! Hold together!
Breathe. Breathe.
I will say though, once you get going, it's very hard to stop. And they're not helping in the slightest.
You're sucking cock. Bro.
I'm pretty sure he went down the hatch.
He did, he was gone.
Straight into hell.
It's like a turd leaving my ass when I'm still with pants on.
What?
Oh no.
Turd leaving your pants? Like to come out your pants leg, you
Leaving
mean?
my ass. What's the
Oh, I thought you said pants.
Been in there all day.
Ew.
There's shit in my boot.
I thought it was a slip, but it turned out to be a long turd.
Ew.
Okay, we know what to do, so this should be a lot faster this time.
Lunch lady, any % speed run, we do it.
I'm dead!
Oh my god.
You have the med kit. Frig. Frig. Frig.
Dude, I might have to steal frig. I do say frick sometimes, but I don't know. Frig sounds really good too.
Dude, come on. She just got a trip.
What did I miss? What did I miss? She's got a quad feed.
Yo, what's that guy reading to them? I think he's got my boot in his hand.
Oh!
Now it looks like the Omega.
Oh my god.
Perfect bullet.
Yo, get somebody on the ground that face too.
Omega lol. Omega lol.
Oh my
This man's
god.
He's like,
I don't think it fits as well as the fucking main one.
Dude, imagine you walk into that. You walk into that room. You probably shoot first because you just like see a person. But imagine like you somehow witness that as the enemy. Someone just shooting, shooting mouths onto people in the painting. Oh my god.
Oh my god, and then we finish it off.
Still clutches. I bet Roadrunner gives the fucking best top.
What?
why? He has a beak. Meep meep. Hey, wait, there's somebody.
It's like an eggplant method at Mach 5.
Eggplant. Oh my god. Okay, the eggplant method is something entirely different, McNasty.
Oh my god.
I was thinking of the emoji, the eggplant emoji.
If you get the eggplant method done to you, dog, I got some bad news for you.
The eggplant method. Jesus. Soup. Motherfucker.
Oh no.
Soup. Dude, don't! Dude!
I like this game.
Oh my god!
Who just fell to their death?
And 5 soup. No, don't. Hey, Matt.
Shoot your shield.
Matt.
Do it.
Do it. Do it. Execute order 74,000.
Oh! That's unfortunate.
What happened?
Wow. Truly astonishing.
What actually happened though? What the fuck?
Soup, did you take any damage?
No, literally nothing happened. Man. I didn't even know if anything was going on.
Hey fellas, I'm gonna dive in the pool.
From
You
where?
ready? Right here.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! It's okay, buddy. Walk it off.
He actually just
no.
fell. He actually just fell over.
You want to see me?
DJ Loogie.
DJ Stutter.
God.
Fuck did DJ correct.
Not ready for the DJ Stutter one.
Oh no.
Tell me, Jesus fucking Christ.
I was
Oh.
trying to take a shortcut.
Oh,
and it didn't
my-
work.
Oh. I thought you were going through it.
It's like fucking got me. That was so fucking stupid. He's like, no, you're going this way, bitch.
Had the scream ready and everything.
What is happening?
Oh my god, this guy is. Oh my god.
Why?
Yo.
Why do you move like
I
that?
am so sorry. You just shot the hell out of me.
We're gonna be cutting it close here, gentlemen.
We gotta get this guy in a vehicle immediately.
Hopefully everybody got their sprinting boots on.
You better Dale Earnhardt that shit. Or
No, you gotta get your light up Skechers. It's the light up Skechers.
don't Dale Earnhardt that shit.
Get the fuck out!
Oh?
Holy shit!
Okay, that was cool.
Take a leap of faith.
Quickly, get a four-seater.
Ah,
Wait,
Get
how's
him
he
in the
gonna get
car.
in?
Just let me-
I got hit by a fucking car, bro! I got hit by a fucking
Oh
car!
my
Get him
god.
in, get him in. Go, why are you driving
That's so
back?
unfortunate.
This
No.
shit. He got hit by a car!
It would have been better if he would have got killed by it, though. Oh my god.
Holy shit. Imagine
Idiot.
the heist is just over because of that.
oh my god!
Did you just sprint into traffic?
Oh no.
Holy
Oh, man.
oh my god! I'm crying.
Please don't. What the? Oh.
Oh?
Blarg, you like looked at me for a solid 3 seconds before you shot me. The
What the heck happened?
what is going on in the hallway?
Honest mistake.
What am I looking at on the... Bro, what is happening in the hallway? The fuck was that? What actually was I looking at? I'm so confused.
You up in other games too.
Oh, I am.
The crab content never ends.
Oh
I just don't
no, not
understand it.
this
Like, How do you
again.
become a YouTuber? It's such a cool job. I just don't understand. Like, how do you become a YouTuber? It's such a cool and interesting job. Are you in a fucking grocery store? Are you scanning your fucking groceries? You're talking to a guy?
No, dude, he's scanning. He's checking out. He's checking out. Like he's checking out a couple of snow crabs to re-release.
Buying all the crabs
Oh
back from
no, please don't bring this back. Not the crabs. Please. Oh
the
no.
grocery store. Wait. While someone's asking you how to be a YouTuber.
I will do the black.
Took a heat
Got
and
him.
I took a hootin'.
What happened?
That is so shitty. That is so shitty. Oh no.
Oh my god. I'm literally playing with a f***ing special ed class.
Robinson?
Oh, bye.
Too awesome.
No, 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 no.
Mike just splattered on the parking lot.
Me and Duke figured it was gonna go wrong. We both jumped out at the same time.
I'm back to the bush. Oh my god. I went straight back to the bush.
Everything leads back to bush.
Mm. Whoa. What? What was that?
Everything leads back to bush.
Oh my god.
What was that?
Ew.
What even was
like
that?
Something came out of your mouth. It sounded like you actually just shit out of your mouth.
It's like you just pulled like a tooth.
Oh, I hurt his throat.
Bro, this is gonna end in a mess.
Dude.
Oh, Jesus. Didn't realize he was doubling in ASMR content now, too.
Oh shit, I gotta take fucking notes. Jeez Louise, I ain't doing it right. Good god.
You sound like
Oh, you can hear it leaking. Listen.
I'm so wet.
why did that turn you on, you fucking weirdo?
And that is what good pussy sounds like.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, I'm better.
What made that sound?
I saw a funny meme on Instagram when I was drinking water.
There were no funny memes on Instagram.
That was probably a TikTok repost on Instagram.
Holy
Oh, no!
The hell even?
No!
You actually scared me.
No!
I was just
Oh, God,
like
get
so
away.
zoned out. I just got hit by a blimp.
Oh no!
You asshole.
No! That's so sad.
It's like a Five Nights at Freddy's jump scare. Why is that thing so quiet? There's no engine in it.
Oh my god.
It didn't even make a sound.
Tesla limo.
I'm crying. No, don't. Oh god.
Oh, that's a problem!
Oh,
Oh, that's a
shit.
problem!
Well,
Oh!
That is the second time you've done that.
I want to die. Like, actually,
Just them staring
you
at
gotta be kidding me.
Do you want to talk about it?
Nothing we could do but watch.
There literally is just is death. Any option was death.
Minecraft jeans.
Okay. My little creeper shorts.
Got
Oh
Minecraft
no.
Steve boxers today.
Can you imagine like a big
no.
old trucker guy saying that? Oh my goodness!
Minecraft boxers are ruined. Gonna have to go buy a new pair of Minecraft boxers.
Minecraft boxes, you're what?
I run.
Ruined. Ruined.
Yeah.
I farted. Another.
He farted in the runt.
Ruined.
Yep. Ain't no good no more. I runt.
Stop honking, Blarg. Sound like a distant seal.
It's not like your name is Sebastian.
It's gonna be sick.
Ooh! Ooh!
This isn't good.
That was great. Oh, never mind.
Oh my
Never mind.
Right as I asked. Fucking dies instantly. Why did that happen?
It's because I asked the question. I shouldn't have said anything.
Yeah, you jinxed
Just be
it.
sitting in your living room watching Teletubbies and a cop car explodes through your window.
I said, how are you guys doing? It's just instantly.
Blarg, every time I'm in a car with you in this video game, we explode.
Dude, we had jumped in like 19 spins in the air, and you're like, "How you guys doing?" We hit a house and just fucking blew up. Oh my god!
Ooh.
There's a whole guy up here.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Did a whole backflip.
Why did I just like flop like that?
I'm surprised that hit him.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you think Tom Brady uses tongue when he kisses his son goodnight?
No, ew.
No
ew,
doubt.
Ew.
Good night, son.
Tom Brady,
No.
Tom Brady moans when he kisses his son.
Ew.
It's almost bedtime, son.
He's just eating a really delicious ice cream.
Ew.
It's almost bedtime. Hold
No,
on.
no.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Nah. 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 I'm
That's
legally
so
bound to
bad.
say nah to that.
I hope he
Wow,
just.
sounded like the opening of Jurassic Park. I think the little fast crawlers are so annoying. They go,
Little ankle biters, like
Those are
Ricky
the
Berwick coming after you.
Senior.
Oh no.
Senior.
No.
Somebody taped him to a skateboard and sent him to Mexico.
He's a Spanish teacher now. Do you think Ricky Berwick could do sign language?
No.
I think
he's
everything he
just
would do
always-
would look like a gang sign.
Oh my god.
Look like a f***ing hanger that guy ran over. Whoa,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, I have never heard Blarg laugh this hard ever, I don't think.
That's it. That's the joke. That's the joke of all time. Understood.
I don't even... It's not that funny.
We found how to break Blarg.
Talking about Ricky Berwick's hands.
Ran over anger.
Oh my god.
It's such a good description of his fucking hands. Oh, dude, my face is so wet. There's so many tears and blood, nostril, nose. No, it's booger brain. I got booger.
Brains leaking out of your eyes.
Yeah, I'm eating a chicken's balls.
Hold on. I'll send you up again.
All right, go.
Oh, the view from up here is
Oh
beautiful,
my.
guys.
Oh. Oh, about that. About that. That's unfortunate. That is so unfortunate.
Fucking me up. What the fuck happened?
Oh no.
Dude.
No.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Oh my god, you're a helicopter.
Holy shit.
Oh, I'm crying, dude.
My abs hurt so bad.
What even is that?
Don't know.
It's
Looks like a typewriter.
prehistoric wheelchair or something.
It's a Gatling gun.
Huh?
But yeah,
Godzilla's
sure.
dildo.
Historic wheelchair.
Historic wheelchair.
Wouldn't that just be a noose? Because back then they probably just killed people that were disabled.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Holy.
Jesus Christ.
That's fucked.
I thought they were doing witchcraft.
Oh my god.
It's already a witch.
Yeah.
Not even that. This dude just broke his leg. He's a witch.
Oh my god.
His legs don't work. Burn him at the stake. Did you know that minions are like
I don't know how that timeline works.
well
Smitty.
over the age of consent?
Oh, they're like hecka
Well,
old.
hold on.
Oh yeah,
You can
they're
have
like 200 million.
no.
years.
Listen,
yeah,
Ed.
they're-
Hold on. Listen.
you can fuck the shit out of
I got it.
Oh,
Siri,
no.
how old are minions?
The answer I found is 9 years.
Well, hold on.
Oh no. Oh no.
That is not what was
What the
Wow. It's really going off by that how old the man is.
Oh no.
prison.
Bro, that is
That That is not a good look. I know what he's talking about because they show it in like the movies that they've been around for literally forever.
Such a good clip.
What the fuck?
That is not what we were told.
Wait, who shot at me? Someone shot at me.
Oh, right here,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Duck and weave. Duck and weave. Duck and weave.
Can't see him, can't see him, can't see him.
Oh my god! Why?
Hey,
Oh,
dude,
no.
you know there's a Japan, Missouri?
Like a
Huh?
a town called Japan?
Wait, I think I've seen. Have I seen this?
Yeah.
Missouri? No, I had no idea. Are there Japanese people there?
Dude's like loading his shotgun.
Polishing his revolver.
Slowly reaches under his desk.
The way I said that.
Why did you say it like that?
Holy shit! I'm the only one brave enough to come in here.
What the fuck?
Even on the fat guy's ass.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay. Okay. Sus.
Oh my god!
Dude, stop beating your wife.
I really got him with that one.
He just started
I
beating the
just
shit out of Dubra.
Dubra!
Warzone moments that make you want to beat your mom.
Hey, man, cool. You gay?
Huh?
Ew. Ugh.
You like eating your dog out?
Ew! No! Ew! 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 I hate that!
Raisin some weird shit that
I hate that. I hate it. I hate it.
I was not expecting that.
Oh.
What was that? Was that an air horn? Felt like a basketball game just like stopped. Stop doing that. Oh my god. I was just scrolling TikTok, zoning out, and just you're eating your dog.
Oh my god. Honk, honk. Oh my god, it'd been too long. Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright. You know, never change, you guys. Never never change. This, I don't even know what to say about this. It's been far too long. I wasn't ready for the shell shock, okay? Also, I love when like one person really gets going and then everyone feeds off of each other's laughs, because then you're gone. No one can breathe, everyone's dying. It's the best. I love it so very much. Please make sure you check out the original video. It's gonna be linked down below. If you like my video, make sure you like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.